Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1.3 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's pick languages and input and enter the languages. As you can see here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got English and also Spanish right now. So in order to add another one, just tap on add a language obviously, and as you can see we've just been transferred to the list of all languages which are on this device and from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick French. Sometimes you will be also able to pick the region. So again, just tap on the one you would like to use, and as you can see, our new language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English language is still a main one. So in order to change it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the language you would like to use and hold it, and now you can drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, since the new language is on the first position, the whole system, the whole menu will be in this chosen language. Of course, you can change it again. Let me show it to you because I'm not really good at French. Let's tap on the English, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And the same situation, it immediately changes actually. Of course, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark the languages you would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, confirm it, and as you can see we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your SONY Xperia 1.3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.